Hello everyone. You always feels like your salary arrives on first and disappears within days and you are already waiting for the next month's salary. Sounds familiar, right? Let's talk about what's actually going wrong. You feel like the salary is too small, but here's the truth. Your salary is not the problem, your planning is. And today I will show you 7 simple steps that can transform your financial life. First, we will do some reality check. Why your salary never feels enough? Most of us follow this same cycle. First, we pay rent, then bills and EMIs, then food and travel, and finally online shopping and small expenses. And in the last, if anything is remaining, that goes to savings. Saving comes always last. That's why no matter how much you earn, rupees 20,000 or rupees 2 lakh, it never feels enough because the system is wrong, not the salary. So, how do you shift your mindset? What wealthy people do differently? Wealthy people follow just one simple rule: save first, spend later. But what do we do? Spend first, save whatever is left. And honestly, nothing is ever left. So, from today, flip the system. Save first, spend later. Here are the 7 steps. Step 1: pay yourself first. We have to do a mandatory saving. When your salary is credited, your first payment should be to yourself. How? By auto debiting 10 to 20% of your salary directly into a SIP or investments. Example, if you invest just rupees 3000 every month, in 5 to 10 years it becomes lakhs because of compounding. Not magic, just consistency. Step 2: build an emergency fund, which is your safety net. You must have an emergency fund. Your target should be 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Example, if your salary is 40,000 and your monthly expense is rupees 25,000, your emergency fund should be 75,000 to 1.5 lakhs. That means your 3 to 6 months of expenses. This protects you during your job loss, medical emergencies, or unexpected bills. So, next question: where to keep this amount? Savings accounts or FD or liquid mutual fund. These are the best options because we need a liquidity. Whenever the emergency arrives, we should liquidate the cash immediately. This helps you avoid costly credit card or personal loan debt. Step 3: health insurance, a must in today's world. One medical emergency can wipe out your years of savings. That's why minimum 5 to 10 lakh rupees health insurance is not optional, it's essential. You may think, I am young, why do I need it? Because emergencies don't wait for age. So please take your health insurance today itself. If you take early, the insurance premium amount also will be less. Step 4: term insurance, protecting your family. If your family depends on your income, you must have a term insurance. Take coverage of 15 to 20 times of your annual income. Example, if you earn 6 lakh a year, your cover should be at least 90 lakhs to 1.2 crores. Earlier you get, the premium will be low. And high protection. If something happens to you, term insurance provides financial protection to your family. Step 5: use 3 bank accounts. This is a smart money management tip. This one habit can change your entire financial life. Create 3 separate bank accounts. First one should be salary account, where your salary comes. Second will be investments and bills account, where your investments, rent, EMI, electricity, and essential will be debited. Third account will be spending account for food, travel, shopping. As soon as your salary arrives, transfer money to the SIP and bills account. Whatever is left in the spending account, that's all you are allowed to spend. If the account is empty, spending stops automatically. Simple and powerful, right? Step 6: avoid lifestyle inflation. When your salary increases, don't upgrade your lifestyle immediately. Don't rush to buy a new phone, new bike, or increase your EMI. First, increase your investments. Lifestyle can always improve later. Building wealth, that comes first. So, your goal should be: first, I have to increase my investments, then, later, whatever the amount is spending, just use it for your daily needs. Step 7: build long term wealth with SIP. SIP feels slow in the beginning, but it's one of the most powerful way to grow your money. Example, rupees 5,000 per month for 20 to 25 years can grow into lakhs or even crores. Rupees 10,000 SIP can be a multi-crore potential. Your salary has a limit, but compounding has no limit. Time is your biggest asset. So please start investing. Always remember, your salary may be small, but your planning can be big. Your financial future is shaped by your decisions, not your income. So start planning today. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple financial wisdom. Comment below. I am ready to plan my finances.